but I'm not perfect. Lord knows I struggle every day. Thank heaven my gracious God forgave me. He gave his life to guide my way. Before I gave my life to Jesus, all my choices weren't that tough. I only did the things I wanted to do. No Holy Spirit to say enough. I am saved, but I'm not perfect. But I know someone who is. I am saved, but I'm not perfect by any means. It's not at all my will, but his. 'Cause I'm not perfect.